Hello, as the market continue to range ahead of FOMC by tomorrow, well, let's do a little bit of a study, okay? All right, by the way, for those of you who were in the live trading room with us today, we took just one trade, and that trade is still pushing toward the second target, all right? This trade was taken in the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. That was our entry. We have cashed out our first profit target. Our stop loss has been moved toward break even. So right now we are still waiting, we are still watching and waiting if our second target will be hit, and then the third target. Otherwise, we are going to close this trade before the market close for today. Okay. All right, so let's quickly do our study here. That was just a quick update for the live trading room. The Forex Factory economical calendar is one important tool that every successful trader, at least every trader that wants to be successful, must have. Although there are other economic calendar out there, but my preference is for the Forex Factory. That is because of its user-friendly interface, very simple. Its simplicity is just awesome. Okay. All right, so what are we to learn here? If you know you are very conversant with the Forex Factory economical calendar, do not waste your time watching this video, because this is an elementary education for those who are just starting to trade Forex and have not been using the news at all, all right? The news calendar at all. If you are trading the Forex market and you want to be profitable, you cannot do without keeping in mind news announcements that are pumped into the markets on daily basis. Okay. All right, so this is the Forex Factory economical calendar, and the one that we use ourselves on daily basis. As you can see, I will just show you a few important points that you need to know. First, we are on the home page, and the home tab itself is hidden. For some of you who will want to go to this page, the home page, you can click on the Forex Factory or bring your mouse somewhere in here, and you will see that home sign right here. Okay, the home tab is there. If you click on it, it will take you straight to the home page that we are seeing. Okay. All right, in the home page here, what is important is if you scroll down, you will be able to see some trades. If you are a member of Forex Factory, you have signed up and you can log in, you can enjoy all of these trade and those that are inside. But what I personally use myself is the market session. Okay, the market session, you should be able to see when all of these sessions open and close on daily basis. As you can see, the session where the London session has just closed, and we are in the middle of the New York session. This keeps you up to date for a current market session. All right, some of you trade without even knowing the session that you are trading in. Okay, and the most active session is when the London and the New York session overlaps. All right, you can see two markets open at the same time. From that point in the year, this is a very the peak of the market itself. That is when a lot of traders are busy buying and selling in the market, and this is the time that you find a very profitable trading opportunity. So for those of you who are looking for the best time to trade the market, you want to always check the market around this time. All right, that is the most busy time trading the Forex market. All right, if you scroll up, you will see the various news announcements. All right, the various news items are right here. You can see we have the low, medium, and high impact news announcement based on their different colors right there. Okay, for those trading the intraday chart, you want to for those trading the micro time frames, the 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes time frame, you want to be looking at all of these news announcements, these low and medium news announcements. All right, because these little wiggles can hit your stop loss and put you out of the trade. But for those traders trading the 1 hour time frame and upwards, well, there is no need. You only need to pay attention to the high impact news announcements, those red ones. Okay, I personally trade from the 1 hour upwards. That is where I find my setups, and there is no need of me keeping in mind this low and medium impact news announcement. So what do? I simply go into my settings and try to kick out all of those low impact news announcements by clicking on the filter settings right there. Click on it. You should be able to see the different impact event. All right, the high, the low, the medium, and this is usually for bank holidays. All right, bank holidays are events that you need to keep in mind, so I am going to keep that one. All right, for the the low impact, I am going to uncheck that one. I don't need it. For the medium impact, I am going to uncheck that one. I don't need it because I trade from the 1 hour upward. Okay, and all of these news events are things that are being released into the market more often. All right, so you want to also keep in mind this news announcement. If you are not interested in getting any news from the central bank axis, if you are not interested in getting central bank news, then you want to simply uncheck that box. Okay, but we as traders need to care about all of these news events. All right, you need to keep it checked, and these are your currency. These are the different currencies that these news announcements are being released from. All right, so you want to also keep them checked. If you are not interested in any one, simply uncheck them. Just click the box if you are not interested in any one, but I usually keep all of them checked. All right, and that is basically all. What I have done here is just to uncheck the low and medium impact news announcement, and just leaving my bank holiday and the high impact news announcement. Once you have done that, simply click on the apply filter. Okay, apply filter. You can now see that your filter has effectively kept selected only the high impact news announcement for you. All right, and you can as well click on the calendar tab, this one right here. Click on it just to have your clean calendar set for you, and you can also have your settings from here. Just to pick a particular date right here, any date that you want. If you want for today, you can look for today's date, click on today's date. If you want for tomorrow, if you want for the 28th, click on that date, and that calendar will pop up for you. More easier is this section below here, this one right there. You can use that one to navigate your calendar more quickly. If it is the entire next week, you can just click for next week, and all of next week and news event will populate right there. And as you can see right here, we have a bumper week ahead, heavy news announcements for next week. This is just that's as simple as that. All right, quite easy. These are things that you should know how to use. All right, what else? All right, how to set your time zone. That's another crucial one that I have gotten over the emails. This is your time here. All right, this is the time icon right there. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have the time zone. You have the time zone here. You have the daylight saving time. You have your time format. I don't usually touch these ones. What I do is to simply check for my time zone. And if you cannot find your time zone, or you are confused, simply match synchronize your time zone synchronize this Forex Factory time zone to match your device clock. All right, your device clock should be your local time. So just click on it, and it should synchronize and tell you what time that you have on your device. Okay, so once that is done, you can click on the save setting, and if you know your time zone, simply select your time zone and click on save settings. Once you do that, your time will be set according to your time zone. Then simply click on your calendar. Now with this calendar, you can see your different news items for the day. All right, on any particular day that you want for tomorrow, this is the news item for tomorrow. as you can see very clearly here. Okay, so it's quite easy, very user friendly, something that anyone can do. All right, as a trader, you must know and understand the forex economic calendar on daily basis. All right, thanks for watching this video. I will bringing you little tidbits as time goes on. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, or like the video, or make your contributions. You can also visit our website at www.learnforexlivesignals.com to have amazing daily market analysis and signal service. I am still your Jacob. I am wishing you a profitable trading experience. Bye bye.